Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply Gaussian blur as well as median blur to any image using OpenCV with Python. So let's get started. So here you can see that I am using Colab, but you can use whatever you feel like. I have taken one JPEG image inside my file as well, and here I have imported CV2 as well as matplotlib, and then I have created one method called ImShow. It takes a title as well as an image. So here we just get the width and height of our image, create an aspect ratio, then we just show plot using dot figure, then use ImShow, and we are actually showing the actual image and setting the title as well, and then creating a plot out of it. So here you can see I'm passing the actual image and I'm passing some name, and first of all I'm reading the image using OpenCV, and then I am calling ImShow and passing the title as well as the actual image. So this is the original output. Now I have already shown you for grayscale. So to apply Gaussian blur, all you have to do is just do cv2.Gaussian blur, pass your image, pass your size, and I'm not really sure what this is, and again I'm just calling ImShow, pass some title, pass your Gaussian blur image. So this is how it looks like. And if you want for median blur, then you can just do cv2.median blur, pass your image, pass the size or how much blur you want, and here you just pass your median blur image. Again this should be median blur, copy paste typo. So this is how the output looks like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.